I'm ready.
Oh, edgy. Oh no, there's a car.
Ready?
There's a car though.
Go.
Go.
No, wait, don't.
There's a car. It's very dangerous.
There's no, it's not oh, it is moving. Then wait. Like 5 minutes. I don't know. Or just go really quickly.
Go.
Do the
Dangerous.
Dylan.
Well, get out of the road.
Dangerous.
You make me like homicidal.
I've heard that many times.
From me or John?
From you.
Okay. Bye.
All right.
Alright. Okay.
He's gonna play Jimi Hendrix.
When I do the 3. Haley, can you please just go?
No, it's gonna be great. Dude, what?
There's so many bugs.
What? Safe. There's water down there.
Holy shit! It just dipped.
Come on.
No,
Dude,
no.
look at it. If a train can cross it, we can. Adventure, Sarah.
I'm gonna cry.
Do you want me to hold your hand?
No.
Look it.
That won't make this experience any better.
No, Haley, don't do that.
It's not even.
No, no,
Dipped.
it's just a
I
very
swear to
fast
God, it dipped. When I stepped on it.
Well, you're still on it, so keep going.
Oh my God, it's so far down. Oh my God, if I fall, I'm literally going to die.
I'm not gonna die. Yeah.
Fuck off! Oh my God, Haley.
Dude, it's fine. I ran across this.
Yeah, but you're also like 3,000 pounds lighter than me.
Nah, man.
Oh my God. Okay.
The train
fine.
adventure.
Okay, we are not taking this back. If I have to go across this again, I will literally slit all of your throats.
Would you like to go across that bridge?
Okay. That seems slightly better. So many splinters right now.
We got this.
Ow. Oh my God.
Yeah, no, it's fine. Come on. Okay, do you want to know the reality?
What?
There's water under this.
Yeah. And if I fall, I'll go into shock.
No, you won't.
Yeah.
Actually, yeah.
That's what happens when people try to fucking kill themselves by jumping off a bridge.
They go into shock.
They go into shock, have a heart attack, and then they die before they even hit the water.
Well, look at this. You didn't die.
I felt like it.
I died on the inside.
Like my soul just left my fucking body.
Fucking hate you.
What?
Is that part?
I don't know. We should figure it out. Wow, it's a park. I didn't even know that.
Whoa, dude.
Let's get in
This
this.
is like a school, not.
Yeah, it is. It's cool.
It is?
I think.
Is this abandoned?
Oh my God, if it is, I will be so fucking happy.
We'll go in it. Okay, are we gonna go? How are we gonna get in?
Oh, right there.
Oh, right there. Okay.
That's very deep.
It's good.
What if I fall?
If it's abandoned, we're going in there. It's a school.
Whoa.
And then that's abandoned.
Whoa.
Really?
Yeah. It is. We're going. It's snow.
Edgy.
Snow. Edgy.
Edgy AF.
What are you doing? We're gonna go in.
This is a park and it's public property.
And that ice rink. I didn't even know this existed.
I didn't either. I don't think anybody did. I don't know what this is. Is it like literally just a park or is it a school?
Spooky.
Spooky.
That's new, right there.
What?
Scout ahead.
Yeah.
The solar panels? Holy shit.
And then like the doors are new.
Yeah, so there's gotta be that part of the school, at least. Or whatever the fuck it is. I wanna go on some swings though.
I know.
Oh!
Can we ice skate here?
There's no ice. Is there?
Yeah, dude.
That shit's melting though. No, it's not. That's not ice.
So we're allowed to hang out here?
I guess.
Boys and Girls Club. It's public property.
I'm going. How the fuck do you do this?
You just get in.
You can have
Well, not 3 grown teenagers. I can't. Haley, put your other foot in. I am. Okay, I'm gonna get up. Oh, this is fun. I'm gonna get on this. No! Ah! Stop! Look at this tall ass boy. So I'm gonna be on the swings because fuck being sad, bitch. My foot up, my foot up, my foot up, and I'm spinning. I'm not spinning, I'm swinging. Shit. Oh my god, they're playing tetherball without me. How rude. Then you bargain for yet. I've been dying to tell you anything you want to hear, 'cause that's just who I am this week. Get the London look. More like put a screwdriver between your teeth.
Just look at her like random smudges on her face.
Gotta love Rhode Island.
Haley, they're sparkles.
Sparkles. Sarah loves makeup.
Molten shine just starts to like
I
burn off her lips.
Same.
Like it's literal lava.
$5.
Don't hang out for makeup.
So weird.
I really enjoy knowing how much this eyeliner is, considering I need some.
I would enjoy.
To the counter and ask.
Why would I do that?
Because you want to know the price and it doesn't say.
Oh, this looks weird though.
Hi.
People are gonna be so confused by my shirt at the beginning of the video.
Yeah, it changes color, people.
Dove.
Venus for a goddess experience.
Did you know that Dove isn't actually like pro-feminism?
It isn't?
No.
What?
Why?
They do it to like appeal to the youth. So they're
Sarah,
not actually what?
I should at least have chewing.
Oh, Dylan.
What?
I should stop chewing my nails because I really fucked up.
Wow.
Take that nasty nail.
Colored pens.
You art student.
Yes.
Yeah.
You visual artist, you.
You visual artist. You like gel,
Oh, mercy
colored
me.
gel pens. Come on, Dylan. Let's go read a script.
Yeah, gosh.
Let's go read a script, Dylan. Do you want to know something? Whenever I try to film, like if I film like the way I am, I have to go up because I just get your chest.
My leg is itchy and there's a hole in my pants.
Beautiful.
Oh, magazines.
Oh. Let's get that Tom Clancy.
You're like a small child with ADHD.
Let's get that 5-sauce one.
No,
I
you have
actually
fairy
don't
tale
like
moment.
5-sauce.
They're okay. Very high pitched.
They're very, they're problematic as hell.
What do you mean?
Like,
What do you mean?
they say a lot of really bad things.
Oh, like.
Why you there, Zane? Leave.
Shh, 2 directions.
I wonder why they called it 4.
I hate you, and you need to fuck off and die.
It's okay.
Don't touch me. What did you say?
It's not opposite day.
It isn't. You're right. I'm just rude to you for no reason.
Yeah.
Stop, Zane.